up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's the Bird Bay here, and today we have got Chainsaw Man. Listen, y'all, the only reason why I'm reacting to this is because I have a little bit of FOMO. I wasn't sure if I want to watch it. It's 9 a.m. on the West Coast. I don't know if I need to be watching a bloody show, okay? Listen. Literally did not watch any trailers. I tried to keep myself trailer free because I don't want to know what's going to happen. I saw a little bit of controversy around the leaks, but hey, we'll make that determination for ourselves. And listen, you guys, this channel is brand new, so please sub up if you're checking out the videos. I appreciate everybody who watched the previous two. But with that being said, let's get right into the content. No jump scares, please. No jump scares this morning. I am so happy I'm watching this in the daytime. Did he get knocked out? Oh, it was a dream. It must have been a dream. What's going on? Yeah, better head to work, my boy. What's going on? $60,000 a month for the...
この間売った腎臓が120万、右目が30万。
Wait, $60,000 a month to cut down trees? I'm assuming, is it dollars? Boy, I might need to put a chainsaw on my head, start cutting down some trees. What? $60K a month? I would quit my job today. Come on now. So what am I, nuts? Hey, yo.
10万もしなかったんだっけ。残りの借金が
He in debt.
3804万円。
Oh, Lord. He in debt.
POCHITA、分かってるって。
POCHITA.
殺しちまうか。
POCHITA. Cute.
殺せばだいたい30万。やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな。
Ooh, that thing look nasty. Okay, the opening is pretty dope. Like, I actually like the opening a lot. Obviously, I can't show it because copyright. They already gonna try to copyright it anyway. But the opening is really dope. I hope there were no, like, type of spoilers in that opening. I don't think there were. I think it was just a montage type vibe. But the opening was dope. I'm liking where this is going. I think it might be pretty cool. The friend group, I like the vibe I'm seeing. Like, you know, I'm ready. Let's do it. Ugh. I haven't even finished my breakfast.
こいつはトマトの悪魔ですね。種から復活するんで焼いといてください。
よくやったデンジ。闇市でこいつの死体を売りゃ相当いい値になる。報酬は40万だ。
おざす。
そっから借金と利子引いて17万。さらに仲介手数料と事務手数料、管理調整費、その他もろもろを抜いて。
残りが7万。
Nah, he's scamming.
水道代を払って他んとこにしてる借金を払うと不思議だな。
He's scamming. He is scamming. He started topping on all them bills. I might have sliced him up right there too. I'll sell him myself on the black market. I don't need to go jump through hoops with you. You out here scamming me, my boy. Come on now. He's scamming. He's scamming.
もう残り1800円になっちゃう。
1,800 yen left.
食いもんねえし、今月 月はこの金で暮らさなきゃいけねえから。ポチタ、今日の飯食パン1枚だぜ。
Oh no. A slice of bread? That's so sad.
なんで女ガキをデビルハンターに雇ってるんです？
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ。正確にはあいつの死んだクソ親父の歌がな。
悪魔を飼ってるやつにデビルハンターが務まるんですかね？
ちゃんとしたデビルハンターはな、俺たちヤクザに悪魔の死体な
They
ら
don't
して
pass
くれ
devil
ねえ。
carcasses onto the
それ
Yakuza.
にデンジのいいとこが逆らわねえとこだ。
おい犬、このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ。
マジっすか。いただきます。
He actually gonna do it?
また悪魔が出たら呼ぶ。逃げたら豚の餌だからな。
This is sad. This is deep. This show is actually deep.
ね。
I like you, Dingy. I like Dingy.
この間聞いたんだけどさ、普通食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜ。
People put jam
ま
on
あ
their
俺たちは
food.
普通なんて夢の話だけどな。死ぬまで借金返し終わる気しねえし。
The sins of the father. That's what they say.
俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうな。
I want to score with the girl before I die. Priorities, Dingy. Priorities, Dingy. Come on. Priorities. Oh, he's hurt. Oh no.
カメ、悪魔は血飲めば傷治るって聞いたことがある。死にたくないならカメ。
Can you walk over to him? You see him laying down, Dingy? Walk over to him. Oh no, he has to get up and move. Oof.
俺の
Them little teeth.
じゃねえ。これは契約だ。お前を助けてやるから。俺を助けろ。俺も死にたくねえ。
Wow, so after you tell me to bite you and after I dig my teeth in you, you tell me the terms of the deal. So everybody in this show is doing a little 1-2, little scheming, you know, daddy left the world, daddy departed the world, so that way he don't have to pay his debt. The debt got passed on to the son by the Yakuza. The man trying to get the boy to eat the cigarette for his entertainment. This story I think is really going to be good about, you know, middle class, poor, low income, and what it takes to just get yourself free from the debt. But maybe it'll also have other elements of like fighting the devils, obviously, and stuff. Like I actually really like where this is going a lot. Uh-oh.
俺の母ちゃんさ、心臓の病気で血吐いて死んだんだとよ。
デンジ、悪魔が出た。仕事だぞ。
こんなとこに悪魔出たんすか？
I don't trust him.
見当たらないっすけど、どっか隠れたんすかね？あ、もしかしてもう帰っちゃったとか。
I don't trust him. They must be trying to take Pochi from him.
デンジよ、俺た たちはてめえに感謝してんだぜ。
はい。
犬みてえに従順だし、犬みてえに安い報酬で働いてくる。
I knew he was scamming him out of money.
でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Wait. Oh my gosh, she stabbed them both?
俺たちヤクザもよ、もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ、てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することにしたんだ。
Wait, what?
俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
僕が望むのはデビルハンターの死。
Oh my
デビル
gosh.
ハンター君、マジこいつらバカだよ。めっちゃバカ。悪魔の力あげるっつったらさ、自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやる。
What in the world?
その力でゾンビになっちゃうんだけどね。僕、ゾンビの悪魔だから。
I'm the zombie devil?
デビルハンターは僕ら悪魔殺すから嫌い。だから殺しちゃうんだ。
How did we walk into a trap?
みんな、そいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃって。
Stingy, run! Ah! He stabbed him again! Oh my gosh! Jesus, be a dream!
せめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに。
Jesus, be a dream! Oh my god, and they threw him in the trash? And cut up POCHITA! Oh wow, that's crazy the way that just happened.
ポチタ、俺は悪魔と戦ってるうちに死ぬかもしれねえ。そうしたらポチタだけが心残りだ。腹すかして死ぬかもしれねえし、他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもしれねえ。
Wait, did the dog and the boy
悪魔
become
に
one?
死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。ポチタにそれができるんだったら、俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ。俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
Oh man, this is crazy. He did die.
ポチタ。俺の体、ちゃんと奪えたか？
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。
Why am I crying?
これは
Dog.
契約だ。私の心臓をやる。
I'll give you
代わ
my
り
heart.
にデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
The dog! Oh my god, the dog!
すごい。
Y'all, I'm sick. Oh my god. Nah, this shit
どうい
good.
うこと？バラバラにしても生きてんの？
Oh my god.
キモ。やっぱ僕デビルハンター嫌い。みんなそいつ食べちゃって。
What is happening? I'm ready. Turn up on these clowns. Please turn up on them. Yeah, turn up on him. Let's go. Nah, this tough. Yes, sir. Chop him up real good. Shoot, chop him up real good. Yes, sir. Chop him up. Chop him up. Chop them up. Ooh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh Oh yeah. This a little crazy, but shoot.
こっちからだ。
Yeah. Chop him up. Him and the Yakuza. Him and the Yakuza. Chop all them up. They cowards. Wow, the animation is crazy on this. I love it. Now he's debt free and out of the hands of them. I love it. Y'all, the way my emotions just went from pure tears into full thrill. Like, what just happened? Rest in peace to Pochita, man. Who still lives on in that boy, though. Man, that's crazy. He chopped all them boys up.
Kimi, 変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない匂い。
うん。
これ、君がやったの？
高須。
Oh, wow. She's so cute.
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は。
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た公安のデビルハンターなんだ。君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
Oh, he gets to live a normal life at last. Yo, am I just gonna be crying throughout the whole show?
朝飯はどんなの？
What's for breakfast?
食パンにバターとジャム塗ってサラダ、コーヒー、あとデザートかな。
最高じゃないっすか。
Wow. Wow, y'all. First episode in. One episode in, and your girl is already shedding tears. RIP to the GOAT Pochita. The dog spoke 2 words, and I was in shambles. 2 words, and I was in shambles. Okay? Denji, I thought Denji was going to be capped. I thought the dog was going to take his body. Little did I realize the dog gave his heart. Y'all, this is going to be fantastic. Like I said in the beginning, I wasn't sure if I want to watch, but listen, 1 episode in and I am converted. Do you hear me? Converted. Wow. This will be a weekly watch, you guys. So good. I'm so excited to see what Denji does as a devil hunter. I think it's only going to go up from here. Maybe we might see some more flashbacks of little Pochita. Wow. That's why they say dogs are loyal to the end, y'all. That's why I could never understand why people hurt animals. But anyway, that's a whole nother conversation, a whole nother topic. But wow, what a great episode. What did y'all think of the episode? I have no other thoughts. It was excellent. It was amazing. It made me cry. It made me happy. It made me all of the emotions that you want to expect when you watch an anime. So it's really only up for here for me with Chainsaw Man, y'all. Wow. And I had to go work after that. Oh man, you guys, that was absolutely crazy. But another show that was absolutely crazy. Check out this reaction right here. Blue Lock. I just watched that. Or you might actually prefer to watch Bleach. That's also on the channel, but I'm gonna go ahead and promote Blue Lock here. I'll see you guys in this video, and also I'll check y'all in the next one. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye guys.